नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, माई सेल्फ ज्योति कुमावत, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन मेथोडोलॉजी, डिपार्टमेंट साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Students, in the continuance of previous class, I am going to start the procedure of identifying gifted children. As you know that the formal method is most appropriate for identifying such children. So the commonly used procedures are like by administering intelligence test, may be verbal, non-verbal and performance. By administering achievement test and scholastic test, we can identify. By observing cumulative and academic record, we can identify these children. By collecting observation and opinion of teachers, parents, friends and neighbors, we can collect the data. By the participation in co-curricular activities of schools and school functions, we can also identify these types of children. Now, there are some problems of gifted children. Gifted children have their own problems which are related to their adjustment in different areas of life. First is like problem of adjustment in family. They normally have some problem regarding the adjustment in the family. Second, adjustment in school, adjustment in society, mental adjustment, teaching methods and unsuitable curriculum. In case their giftedness is not recognized, they may become perverted intelligent. They may show hostile attitudes and feel themselves as rejected, unwanted and isolated. They may develop inferiority, incompetence, insecurity. In the classroom, work is easy for them. They may not take interest and therefore may feel boredom in class. They may become torrent or may use daydreaming or fantasy for the work of higher level. If they do not get proper guidance, they may develop the tendency of negativism and bad reactions to authority. If they do not get favorable attitude or love, affection and sympathy from elders, they may join gangs. If these children of not get good friends of their level, their social development is blocked, and if they get over attention of parents and teachers, may develop boastful and conceited attitudes and tendencies. So because of varied interests, they find themselves in great difficulty in choosing right type of school subjects and vocations in future life. So these were some problems of gifted children. Now we have causes and factors for the problem of gifted children. What are the main causes? There are following causes like unsuitable curriculum, objective of teachers and students, criticism, unintelligent questions of teachers, poor library, poor quality of teacher, unintelligent assignment, poor socio-economic status, no provision for activities like intensive work in literature, reviewing books, making abstract, term papers, editorial, booklets, folder, writing of stories, etc. Carelessness in establishing goals, not stimulation or appreciation to individual research or creative work in school and home, no opportunity to meet eminent person, poor method of teaching, there is no challenging task for him or her, there is no freedom for expressions as he is outspoken, lack of creative teaching or problem solving in classroom. So these are the main causes of that children. Now we have educational provisions for gifted children. It is evident from the above discussion regarding related gifted children that they possess different mental, social, emotional characteristics. Therefore, it is essential to have advanced curriculum methods of teaching school problems and qualified trained teachers. Our present system and program of education is highly structured schedule. Basically, it has been designed for normal students. The following way may be objectives, methods, approaches, curriculums, and qualities of teachers for gifted children. So, objectives are like to further increase the range of their knowledge, skill, and understanding, to develop an alertness, initiative, and creativity power, to develop an attitude or critical thinking, to develop power to work independently and independent thinking, to develop leadership and social efficiency, to accelerate the process of problem solving, to enhance the capacity of adjustment in home, school, and society with normal children. Now, approaches of teaching for good children. Here are some approaches, like three main approaches are there: enrichment approach, acceleration approach, special group approach. In acceleration approach, it is an old approach for gifted children education, as the term acceleration refer to the school process of education program really entrance into school, skipping entire grade, doing more work per year, or doing advanced work for advanced standard. Inability grouping has two types of classes: classes, special telescoping grade schools. Acceleration is defined as progress through an educational program at a faster rate of age younger than convention. This is evolution. It is not possible to find out separate time for these students. This is costly affair, causes wrong psychology or impression or other, or feel jealous, undemocratic, intellectual authority. Now, enrichment approach. The enrichment of curriculum must be both qualitative and the quantitative. Qualitative enrichment of curriculum means that gifted children should have greater opportunity than average children, and qualitative refers the depth, while quantitative enrichment means breadth of the content of the work. So, the program of gifted children should be presented an extension of general education objective. The educational programs generate a stimulating learning environment both in school and outside of the class. The program should place a specific emphasis on creative ability, insight, and social responsibilities. The educational program should promote basic fundamental skills, knowledge, appreciation, and the creative, etc. Now we have the curriculum for gifted children. Gifted children need less drill to master them on fundamental process. Notice at what points they merely marking time, what lesson finished early, and at what time he opens library book or shows sign of restless or boredom. So on the basis find time for enrichment, give special attention, stimulate an orderly class, and give some high of difficult tasks. Recognize the curriculum with pupil teacher planning as ambition rich, which sustain his interest in school work and stimulate their mental capacities. So there should be a special teaching methods for these children, and special group approach. They should have general methods and techniques for should apply for these gifted children. So by this we can enhance their capacity, their types of reading habit. So students, I hope you understand well about the lecture. Thank you.